Hi everyone. Today, I'll be sharing how I made these amazing ceramic bells. The process was really fun and rewarding, and I'm excited to show you how I did it. I started with plastic file covers and cut two circles, one larger and one half an inch smaller. I repeated this step 8 times, as I was aiming to make 4 bells. I made a cone by cutting the circled sheet to the center and then stick it with the tap. I repeated the same with all cuttings. Now I have 4 small and a half-inch larger cones. I placed the larger circle into a rounded glass to shape the bell. Next, I made a mixture of water and plaster of Paris, which I poured into the larger cone shape. To add weight and help the structure hold its shape, I placed the smaller cone, filled with stones, on top of the mixture. After the plaster dried, I removed the weight and the plastic covers. I then smoothed out the uneven edges on the open side of the bell. I made small holes in the cone side of each bell to allow for hanging later. For the hanging mechanism, I used a rope, buttons, and a plastic ball cut in half and spray painted. First, I tied a knot and inserted one bell, then covered the top side with an old circle-like button or screw I took from an old tool. I knotted it again and inserted the half-cut plastic ball. Another knot, followed by covering the ball with a screw cap, and a final knot to secure everything in place. Once everything was ready, I hung the bells in my garden, and they look absolutely beautiful swaying in the breeze. This was a fun project, and the final product turned out amazing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative DIYs like this one.